Hi, today we will be creating a welcome basket for a very special guest that will be coming to my house soon. The first thing I'm going to do is line my basket with tissue paper. This will give it a nice pop of holiday color. Look at this cute red truck tissue paper. Now it's time to fill our basket full of goodies. We have some caramel corn, crackers, potato chips. Gotta have some holiday Oreos. Who doesn't like Milano cookies? For something on the healthier side, we have some heart-healthy nuts. Back to the treats, we got some cocoa M&Ms and also some holiday mint M&Ms, some nice peppermints, Reese's Pieces, all kinds of good stuff. I put Tic Tacs in there and a lollipop. We can't forget candy canes. I got a root beer flavored candy cane for this basket and also a traditional one. This basket sure is full. I think it's time to put the bow on. I don't do anything fancy with this bow. I simply tie it in a bow and then I fluff it up. So far so good. This basket has turned out really nice. Now I need to go put it in the guest room. I also purchased a few in case you forgot items. So I got a little soap, a toothpaste, and a toothbrush, and I'm going to slide them into one of these cute little Christmas bags. I chose the owl bag because it matches the bow on the basket. So we've got our toothpaste and toothbrush, and some sage scented soap. Kind of smells like the holidays. Now I'm going to put a little note on this that says, in case you forgot something. I will attach it using double stick tape. I think double stick tape is my new best friend. So that our guest doesn't have to ask, we'll put 2 fresh towels on the bed and also 2 washcloths. I hope that my guest will feel welcome, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, can I get a thumbs up? Also, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!